Well, our customers are looking for a full solution within the residential market. So yes, we can offer an intercom, yes, we can offer an answering device within the apartment, but actually what they want is a full system. So they're looking for access control, whether that's for entry to bike stores, whether that's entry to the building, whether that's entry to certain floors, because there are lots of facilities and amenities in these developments now, as well as access to the building and simply just door entry as well. So it's not just about pushing a button and answering a call, it's about providing a full solution to these developments. That's got to all be about technology. So going forward, we see that lots of materials are now becoming available to us, so that the products that hopefully are going to come from you guys are going to be a lot more durable, they're going to be a lot more high tech, so that we're going to be able to put that into the market. With that, it's the software side of it too as well, which is developing. So we're looking at artificial intelligence, which is going to be a very key thing. So facial recognition, more bio systems, so hands-off solutions. People can just walk up, systems will recognise you and away you go. So I do see technology taking over, yeah. The major benefit that springs to mind immediately is the open protocol. The fact that we can integrate two-end solutions into pretty much any third-party solution that's already in a project or that are going to be considered for a project. And generally it's pretty much seamless. So it's the open protocol and the interoperability. We have a great relationship with 2N, and in a nutshell, your support is there, it's always there, so very reliable.
Thank you, Steve.